Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I am Jagdeep Rosario. In previous video, we have learned addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. And today I will teach you multiplication and division of decimal numbers. So without any delay, let us start. Before we start multiplication of decimal numbers, we should know some basics. Now, let us take 0.1. Here, there is one digit to the right of the decimal point. And this can be written in fraction as 1 by 10. In case there are two digits to the right of the decimal point, and we can write in fraction as 1 by 100. And if there are three digits to the right of the decimal point, this can be written as 1 by 1000. That means if one digit in the denominator, there is 1 0. If two digits to the right of the decimal point, we will take two zeros in denominator. There are three digits to the right of the decimal point. In denominator of the fraction, we will take three zeros, and so on. I have taken one question here, 8 into 4.6, and we have to multiply the two numbers. First we have to think that there is no decimal point and we have to multiply the two numbers. 8 6 are 48, carry 4, 8 4 are 32, plus 4, 36. Now we have to put the decimal point. Here in decimal part, after one digit there is a decimal point. So that here from right side we have to put the decimal point after one digit. This is your answer. This can be done in second method also. First we have to convert these into fractions. 8 into, we will write 46 after removing the decimal point. 46 divided by one digit in a decimal part means we have to put 1 0. This equal to 8 into 46. 48, carry 4, 32 plus 4, 36 by 10. This equal to, now in denominator 1 0 is there. So that we have to put the decimal point after one digit from right side towards left side. This is your answer in second method. Now second question, 2.26 into 3.4. First we have to think that there is no decimal point and we have to multiply two numbers. This equal to 226 into 34 after removing the decimal points. This equal to 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Will leave one place. 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 2s are 6. Now we will add two numbers. 4, 8, 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Now we have to see here, there are 1, 2, 3 digits after decimal point. Here 1 digit in decimal part and here 2 digits in decimal part. Total 1 plus 2, 3 digits. So that we have to put the decimal point after 3 digits from right towards left. 1, 2, 3 digits. And we put the decimal point here. This is your answer. In second method, we will write as it is 2.26 into 3.4. We will write this in fraction after removing the decimal point. 226 by here 2 digits in decimal part, so that we will write 2 zeros in denominator, into here 1 digit in decimal part, so that we will write 34 by 10 in denominator, that is 1 zero in denominator. Now we will multiply the two numbers and we got 7684 by 100 into 10,000. This is equal to, now in denominator there are 3 zeros, so that we have to put the decimal point after 3 digits from right side towards left side. One, two, 3 digits. You put the decimal point, and this is your answer. Now let us go to third question. 8.396 into 100. Think that there is no decimal point and we will multiply to 100. 8,396 into 100. This is equal to, and 2 zeros. Now let us put the decimal point. After decimal point there are 3 digits in a decimal part, so that we will take 1, 2, 3 and we will put the decimal point. This is equal to 839.6, because there is no value to zeros. We will ignore these zeros. This is your answer. In second method, we will write in a fraction form. 8,396 divided by, here 3 digits, means in denominator there are 3 zeros will come. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay? Into 100. This is equal to, we will cancel 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Here 8,396 divided by 10. This is equal to, now in denominator 10. 10 means after 1 digit there is a point. So that we put the decimal point after 1 digit towards left from right, and this is your answer. Now let us take one more question. 0.421 into 0.02. Now you will think that there is no decimal point, and we will write the question. 421 into 2. This is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 4s are 8. Now we will see how many digits are there in decimal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 2 plus 3. There are 5 digits. Means after 5 digits we have to put the decimal point. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we put the 0. And this is your answer. And we will write in fraction form also. And we will solve this. This equal to, we will write this in fraction form. 421 means we have removed the decimal point, divided by 1, 2, 3. 3 digits means in denominator 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Into, we will write 2 here after removing the decimal point, and 1, 2 digits in numerator means we will write 2 zeros. This is equal to 842. We have done the multiplication here. 421 into 2 divided by 3 and 2. 5 zeros in denominator. That means 1 lakh. This is equal to. Now we have to put the decimal point after 5 digits. 1, 2, 3. We put 2 zeros. That means 5 digits. We put the decimal point. Whether you add here, write here 0 or not, it is not matter. Okay. This is your answer. Now let us go to division of decimal numbers. Let us take one question. 160.704 divided by 1.2. First we have to convert this in fraction form after removing the decimal point. We will write this is equal to divided by, here there are 3 digits after the decimal point in decimal part. So we will write 3 zeros divided by, we will remove this decimal point and we will write 12 divided by, here 1 digit after decimal point in decimal part. So that we will write 10. This is equal to divided by 1000. Now we will multiply this. We will put the multiplication sign so that here you will take the reciprocal. So that this will become 10 divided by 12. Now we will cancel 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Now we will divide the numerator by 12. We will take here divided by 12. 12 1 the 12. 4 is there. Now we will pull down 0. 12 3 is the 36. again 4. We'll pull down 7. 12 3 is a 36. 1 1. Now we'll pull down 0. 12 9 is a 108. 110 minus 108 is equal to 2. We will pull down 4. 12 2 is 24. 24 minus 24, 0. So that now quotient is 13392. This is equal to 3392 divided by 100. So that this is equal to, because in the denominator 2 zeros, so that we will put the decimal point after 2 digits from right towards left. This is equal to 2 digits. We will put the decimal point. 133.92 is your answer. Now let us go to second question. 2.875 divided by 10,000. How will we perform this? In usual way, we will remove the decimal point and we will write 2,875. By there are 3 digits after decimal point in decimal part. So that we will write 3 zeros. Divided by, we will write 10,000 by 1 we will write. This equal to, we will write 2,875 divided by 1,000. Now we will put the multiplication sign and we will reciprocal this, so that it will become 1 by 10,000. This equal to, we will write 2,875 into 1 is 2,875 divided by 4 zeros, 7 zeros. Now this equal to, we will write 2,875 now here 7 zeros means after 7 digits we have to put the decimal point. 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we put the decimal point, and this is your answer. Let us take some difficult question. 0.16 into 0.21 into 1.5 by 0.03 into 0.04 into 0.05. This means this divided by the denominator. Okay? So that we will write this. What we will do here? I feel this is very difficult question. But when you go to solve, you will see whether it is difficult or easy question. First, what we have to write? We have to see how many digits are there after decimal points to the right. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 digits in decimal part So that we have to write 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 zeros in denominator. And in numerator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros will come in numerator because 6 digits are there in decimal part in denominator. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros we will write. Okay. Now we will remove all the decimal points and we will write as it is. This is equal to 16 into 21 into 15. Here in denominator 3 into 4 into 5. Now we will cut the zeros. 5 zeros. Cancel. Here 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are 21. Now what remained? We will write this is equal to 8 into 7 into 15. This is equal to 8 sevens are 56 into 15. Now we will multiply this. We will take here 56 into 15. This is equal to 15 6 are 90. We will carry 9. 15 5 are 75 plus 9 84. And this is your answer. Finally, we will take one more example to understand the concept better. Third question, 0.01275 divided by 0.0015. This is equal to, as usual, we will remove the decimal point and we will write the number 1275 divided by, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there in a decimal part. So that we will write 5 zeros. Divided by, here also we will write 15 after removing the decimal point, and we will write 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in denominator. This equal to, we will write 1275 divided by 1 lakh. Now we will put the multiplication sign and we will reciprocal the 15 by 10,000. That will become 10,000 by 15. This equal to, we will cancel 4 zeros in numerator and 4 zeros from denominator. So that here 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, again 2 is remained, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now we will write again here 255 by 10 into 1 by 3. This equal to, again we will cut by 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 8 the 24, 3 5 the 15. So that 85 by 10. This equal to, now here in denominator there is 1 0. So that after one decimal point, after one digit you have to put the decimal point. Here this is 8.5. This is your answer. I feel you understood the concept of multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Now I am going to wrap up my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit on bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. Let us meet in next video.